Are you guys ready?
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Cleveland, Ohio, weighing in at 202 pounds, Malcolm Valentine!
Ever since I took my spot here at the commentary table, I have wanted to call this match. I cannot wait to finally do it.
Well, this superstar has stated that conquering Roman Reigns is his destiny.
Corner of the ring.
From the middle, what a tornado DDT.
Taking this match off the mat now. Sky high. Frog splash.
And that can vanquish Axiom.
2 count. He kicks out somehow.
I do not know how you survive that. Staying alive there is unheard of.
Hey, it might be time for a change of strength.
That should do it right there.
This one is over.
Here is your winner, Malcolm Valentine!
Axiom takes the loss.
This did not end well for Axiom. Axiom's got guts. He's got desire. But tonight, he just couldn't hang on.